This soothing aloe vera gel looks simple, but its journey begins long before it reaches your skincare shelf. Let's discover how it's really made. Our journey starts on aloe farms, where thousands of thick green leaves grow under warm sunshine for nearly 2 to 3 years. Only mature, healthy leaves are selected because they contain the highest amount of clear, nutrient-rich inner gel. Workers carefully harvest each leaf by hand. They avoid damage to the plant. This allows it to continue. After harvesting, the leaves are quickly transported to the processing facility to preserve their freshness and Every leaf is thoroughly washed to remove dirt, dust, and microorganisms before entering the extraction process. The sharp edges and outer skin are carefully removed. This is to expose the clear gel hidden inside every aloe leaf is a crystal clear gel, rich in water and naturally soothing plant compounds. The yellow latex layer is completely separated because it can irritate the skin if left in the finished product. The fresh gel is filtered several times to remove tiny fibers and plant particles, creating a smooth, clean. Multiple filtration stages improve clarity, while maintaining the beneficial compounds naturally present in the aloe gel. Scientists carefully test the gel for purity, quality, and microbial safety before it can be used in cosmetic products. Thickeners and moisturizing ingredients are blended with aloe to create the smooth texture consumers enjoy every day. The pH is adjusted to make the finished gel gentle on the skin while maintaining product stability. Vacuum mixing removes trapped air bubbles, producing a crystal clear gel with a professional, premium appearance. Automatic filling machines dispense the exact amount of aloe gel into every bottle with remarkable precision. Each bottle is sealed immediately to protect the gel from contamination during storage and transportation. Labels, batch numbers, and manufacturing details are printed, allowing every product to be fully traceable. The finished products are packed into cartons and stored under controlled conditions before being shipped worldwide. Soon, these bottles arrive in supermarkets, pharmacies, and beauty stores, ready for customers to discover. People use aloe gel to soothe skin, provide lightweight hydration, and enjoy its refreshing cooling sensation after a long day. Fresh aloe from a leaf lasts only a short time, but commercial aloe gel is carefully processed, stabilized, and tested to remain